Good morning, students. Welcome to online class. So, let's come, student. In our subject, this is the last lessons. Be alert and be safe. In the unit 4, this is the last sub lesson. So, after completing in this lesson, we will start the revision, and your exam is very near us. So that's the reason we will go one more time revision. Okay, so start. Let's come. Be alert, be safe. Be alert, be safe means if we are alert in that our daily activity, then we are becomes very safe. Any type of activity you are doing, that time you are alert, you are becomes safe. So let's come. One girl is there. Look at Shirin. Her name is Shirin. She has cut her finger trying to sharpen her pencil with a blade. Is it right to sharpen a pencil using a blade or knife? They are asking you, is it right to sharpen a pencil using a blade or knife? She cut her finger trying to sharpen her pencil with a blade. So now you want to sharpen your pencil. Which of the instrument use the safest to use? For example, if you want to sharpen your pencil, which of the instrument you have to use for safest? Here that they given 4 instrument. Here knife given, sharpener given, blade given, and one more different knife is given. So which is the correct? Yes, this is the very safest. These are the wrong. Don't use these instruments to sharpen your pencil. Okay. And why do accident happen? Have you seen accident on the road? Many times it happen. Why they happen? Because of they do not have a safe. They do not alert. They do not because the carelessness of others around us. That's the reason accident happen. And some programs are there. Some rules are there you have to follow in our house for the safety purposes. Look at Mr. Shani. She is standing on a small stool trying to reach a shelf to high for her. He is doing the right thing. So this is wrong. And this is also wrong. If the animate spill water on the floor while watering the plant, but she forget to wipe, look what happened to the old lady. She became spelled down. And this is also wrong. When you use your electric instrument, before have to touch that one, you have to switch off the electric current. Otherwise, it harmful your health. And this is also don't spread these instrument on the your floor, house floor. Okay, this is also wrong. And this is also don't disturb your mother when your mother cooking the food. That is also you don't follow this one. And some safety rules have to followed here. Your home. Do not leave the object like scissors, toys or balls etc. lying in the floor. Do not handle any electric instrument. Do not go near fire unless there is an adult present. Okay. And one more important, so many rules are there. If you follow these all safety rules, then you becomes very safe. And some rules are to followed in the school. Here, do not push anyone while going off or down. Do not push anyone while flying. If you get hurt while flying, inform your teacher. She will take care of you. If someone hurt you when you are flying, inform to your teacher. But I seen some students, if you hurt someone, then the students who have hurt him, the student and he both are fighting each other. That is not good. Okay, do not rush to get into the school bus. Wait for your turn. These are the safety rules followed in the school. These are the safety rules followed in the home. And there's some simple rules are there, student. Here, this is for only this lesson is only tell us that how we alert, how we became safe. Those are rules. This is telling just we have how to read and keep to save in our mind. Okay, and daily you have to cut your daily not. If you have cut your fingers, apply Dettol. Sometimes if you cut your finger per other any dispiriting reason, apply Dettol or any antiseptic cream. Take a piece of cotton wool and hold it on the cut. If it is bleeding heavily, seek the help in the adult. In case of burn, you burnt part under the to tap or apply ice. In case the sprain, apply ice. Let us apply an anti-inflammatory cream. Then see the doctor. These like so many simple rules are there. You have to do them in your home only before going to the hospital. If something happened to your body parts, these rules we have to follow. Okay, simple rules are there. Next I will coming here. Safety on the road. This is very important, student. Most of the peoples have to careless of the safety on the road. That's the reason accident is happening. Look at the picture. We'll point out the 4 things that should be totally avoided on the road. Here, look this picture. This only picture. Here you have to find out 4 totally avoided on the road. 4 things. The first one. Do not walk on the road. Yes, do not walk on the road. Okay, and one more, do not play on the road. And one more, here is that one more is there here. Yes. Here also there. One more is there. Do not fight each other. Fight on the road. Here, yes or no? Yes. And 4th one. Do not ride in wrong side. Do not cross the road. Do not cross the road when vehicle is coming. So these are the 4 things you have to follow. Don't do this one. But which rules do you have to follow on the road? Walk on the footpath if there is one. If there is no footpath, walk on the right side of the road. And cross the road only when the traffic has stopped. Cross only at the zebra crossing. Look right, then left, then right again before crossing. Do not run on the road. Do not get in or off moving bus. These are the safety rules to have to follow on the road, students. Okay, I hope you are understood this one. So I think maybe next class, last one class is there. That after one class our syllabus will be completed. Then maybe then Monday onwards I will start a revision. And before that I will send in your WhatsApp group for the exam pattern, midterm exam pattern. Okay, have a nice day. Bye.